Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video on Chloe's little 1.2 Corsa D. Now today, hopefully going to be a quick little video, if I don't waffle on too much. And we're just going to do a little service on it, because due to MOT next week, something like that, it is due a service. So hopefully this will be of some help to you, and well, let's just crack on. So we just got back from Eurocar Parts, and this is our service items. About £90. We got a set of front wipers as well, which is about £26-ish. So if you just wanted that, obviously it would be a little bit less. So what we've got is some oil, cabin filter, sump plug, replacement sump plug, oil filter, and air filter, which you can't see because of the glare. Right, up we go. Just to orientate ourselves in the engine bay, the oil filter is here, and you need a 24mm socket to take that off. Obviously oil filler. Air filter is in here, which is T25 to take that off. Other things to look at are these hoses here, that one and that breather hose next to it. They can split. That one's actually looking a bit mucky, so I might have to order one of them, but I have already changed that one previously. There's a video on that, because that one you get sort of fuely smells, oily smells in the cabin from that one. So if you're getting that, look at that one. And we are going to change the oil pressure switch, which is this one, this is a very common leak point on these. Apart from that, it's pretty dry. It's a bit mucky around there, but not bad, not bad. And underneath we've obviously got the sump plug, which on this one is a 24mm socket, or I don't know what square drive it is, but the new one isn't. The new one's a Torx. And while we're under here, it's nice and easy to see the state of the belts and that, and this all looks good.
Right, well, we're going to try something different. I'm going to do a bit of narration on top of the video, and we'll see how it goes. So here I am, just undoing the sump plug. Engine's nice and warm, so the oil should come out nice and easy. I'm waving that pole around vigorously, trying not to make a mess, and also trying not to drop the sump plug in the oil when it comes out. There she blows. We'll just leave this draining while we do the rest of the service, and refill or refit it when we refill the oil. So we just moved up to the top of the engine now, remove the cap to let a bit of air in, and remove the old oil filter, which also let a bit of air in and more oil out of the sump. I had a quick look at the old filter and it looked reasonable, and a good inspection of the oil cap, oil filter cap, and then we replace the O-ring, slip the new oil filter in, lubricate the O-ring a little bit, and then do it up to 25 Newton meters on this one. Next up, air filter, just removing the little intake duct to it, then the little screws, take the old filter out, pretty good, chuck a new one in, and then just nip up the screws, don't need to be tight, and then reattach the intake pipe. And then next inside the cabin, as you can see, the little tab's broken off. Fix that on another vehicle. Just get the old, pull the old cabin filter out, slip the new one in. It's a bit fiddly, it does try and squish up. Just wiggle it around, she'll go in, and then put the cap back on. Then underneath we replace the sump plug. Unfortunately the new one was the wrong one, so we had to put a copper washer on. So yeah, we've got some oil, and we just throw it all over the engine generally to stop it rusting, and then we fill it up, put in 3.5 litres in. So yeah, just trying to clear up the mess I made, and chuck some oil in, and we'll get there. 3.5 litres. I always mark the side of the container so it's easy. And here we are, more smearing around of oil. Check dipstick, all good.
Next up then, we just start it up. Hopefully everything's alright. Inspection lights up, out of gear, and then oil light's gone out. That's good. Let's make sure we haven't got any leaks. Apart from some idiot throwing a load of oil around here, which is going to smoke the lovely for my daughter. That all looks good. And underneath, that all looks good. Excellent. So to reset the service light, handbrake on, door shut, foot on the brake, hold the button, turn it on, inspections flashing. When the dashers are up, that's it. Service light reset. And last but not least, we have the wipers. Oh, these are posh. Ooh. Blimey, very nice. So to change these, there's two little tabs at the back there. You squish them, pull it out, that comes off. It's on the floor. And then you hook that one in, squeeze it, and that's it. Pop them in. See if I can do that one reaching across. Big fat belly in the way. Done. Just to show you what I mean. That's the two little tabs you squeeze, and then you pull it down and then unhook it. And I've tried to do it slightly different this time. I hope it works okay. You know, talking over what we're doing. If it hasn't worked, you probably won't see this video because there's no detail or information in it at all. So anyway, hopefully it works fine. Right, that's it, done. I haven't taken it for a test drive yet because I've got some little bobs I want to check out before she has her MOT done. But yeah, basically that's it. Shame the sump plug was the wrong one. I didn't open the packaging, it was quite obvious. And luckily I had another little copper washer instead of this little Doughty, which was done. Anyway, if it's any use to you, please give us a thumbs up. That's it, hope to see you next time. Cheers then. Hi. Flipping rubbish. I'm rubbish, I'm rubbish, I'm rubbish, I'm rubbish. Oh, my poor handy. The inspection light's not flashing. Oh, I don't know. Over talking? Is it over talking? No, what's it called? I don't know. Where you talk over? Talk over? Chloe, your car is filthy. Look at the state of it. Dirty, dirty little monkey.